Welcome to Learn How to Use Essential Oils with Lori's YouTube channel. Let me know how you like this YouTube channel with likes and comments.
Hello, this is Lori Hargis in Montpellier in the south of France. And I'm so excited to share more information with you on this YouTube channel about how to use essential oils. So please make sure that you join my YouTube channel. That way you can get weekly videos about how to use essential oils. This video is on how to use essential oils for a mucousy cough with cinnamon, our featured essential oil this month. You know, cinnamon is antibacterial, antiviral, and it's warming, so it helps move out mucus, along with essential oils of orange. Orange is antibacterial, antiviral also, and what it does is because it's in the terpene family, it stimulates mucus to break up, right, and to move out of the body, along with Eucalyptus globius. Eucalyptus globius is antiviral, antibacterial, and it helps you get the mucus from the depths of your lungs. That's why it's contraindicated a lot of times for asthmatics. So make sure that you're not using this if you have any problems with eucalyptus and you're asthmatic, and this formulation should not be used with children under 10 years of age. Now let's get on with the formulation. We have 10 drops of orange, one of my favorite essential oils. It's so fresh. It's so happy, and it's 10 drops. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 drops. And of course, the beautiful color of orange with 9 drops of eucalyptus. Wow, eucalyptus. Oh, it opens up your sinuses, your chest. It's so lovely. So we have 9 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 drops of eucalyptus. And then we have 1 drop of cinnamon. I love the smell of cinnamon essential oil. It's just so nice. So warming, so uplifting. And this formulation really helps you get rid of that mucousy cough. So you're going to add your carrier oil to it here. This has safflower, sunflower oil, and they absorb into the skin very easily, and has olive oil, and then vitamin E to preserve it. Pop your cap in like this. Put your lid on it, and roll your bottle between your hands to get those essential oils of orange and eucalyptus and cinnamon for that mucousy cough that you're going to get rid of with these beautiful essential oils. Then what you're going to do is you are going to put your label on it. Now make sure you write the name of the formulation on it. You put the date on it. So that way, and I'm having a little bit of a challenge with my label here. There we go. Perfect. That way you know exactly the formulation that you made, the name of it, who you made it for, the date that you did it, and you put the contraindications on it. The contraindications are: do not use in pregnancy or with children under the ages of 10, skin irritant, and be careful if you're asthmatic, and it is phototoxic because of the orange in it. Put your label on it. Then what you're going to do is you're going to roll this on your chest and your upper back. Then the lung reflex point is here in the pad of your hand. So you're going to roll it across there like that. And you also can do that on the bottoms of your feet, right underneath your toes, like you did it right underneath your fingers here. And this will help open up your chest, help you get that mucus out of your system. Make sure you drink plenty of water, and make sure that you sign up for my YouTube channel. That way you can get weekly videos and information from me and learn how to use essential oils safely and effectively. Don't forget your essentials. Use your common sense. Au revoir. Hope you like this video on how to use cinnamon essential oil. Please comment on how you are using cinnamon essential oil for colds and for everyday ailments. And also, please check out my videos. What is cinnamon essential oil? What is a carrier oil? And how to use a roller ball. Subscribe to my channel and get more advice on how to use essential oils safely and effectively for everyday ailments. Don't forget your essentials. Use your common sense. Au revoir.